What's poppin', my pirates? It's Kenny's World, and in today's video, we're gonna be throwing a Yuzuri Crystal Minnow at some dock lights to see if we can get some Snook to hit it. But real quick, before we start today's video, make sure you guys smash that like button. Comment down below. Let me know, have you guys ever fished dock lights before? Also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing and join the family. We are at 130 subscribers now. I appreciate all you guys. Thank you guys for all the support. Alright guys, let's get on with today's video. Alright guys, so real quick before we start this video, I wanted to go ahead and apologize. This is going to be kind of a dark video because I did not have my headlamp on, and I was not trying to be loud, basically because there was actually a house right here. So these people who own this dock, they live right there, so I didn't want to be loud and I didn't want to have my flashlight going and stuff like that, just out of respect to them. So I want to go ahead and break down the scenario that I was fishing right now for you guys. So basically we had this dock right here that was casting out a green light underneath it, and we'll just draw this line here to say this is how far the green light went. So basically if you guys haven't dock fished before, predator fish will hide in the green light, and they'll wait for bait fish or shrimp or something like that to come by, and that's when they'll ambush it. So dock lights are really cool to hit. So basically what I was doing was I would cast over here outside of the green light area, and I would slowly reel my lure coming back in towards the light, and once it came into the light, the snook would ambush it, and that's when you would get a hit. So that's basically the scenario that I was fishing, and I just wanted to go ahead and explain that to you guys because I couldn't do it in the video since I didn't want to be loud, and I just out of respect to the people who live there. Alright guys, let's go ahead and roll the clip. Hold on guys. Nice. I think we got a snook. Oh yeah, got us a nice snook. Alright guys, we got us a nice snook here. Another one on the Yuzuri lure. Awesome, awesome. I don't have my flashlight with me, and I don't have my pliers with me either. I think you can feel my hook though. Awesome, awesome. Alright guys, check this snook out. Awesome. How sweet is that? Take a quick picture real quick. There you go. Awesome, awesome, awesome guys.